Hi, welcome back to my channel Coding Skills. As part of this video, we will learn how we can join threads programmatically. Before getting into the coding, let's see what exactly a joining of thread. Thread class provides a join method which will allow us to join multiple threads. As part of this joining, one thread has to wait until another thread completes its execution, which means if a thread T1 is currently executing, then invocation of T1.join method will make sure that thread T1 is terminated before the next thread continue to execute. During the execution of thread, by any chance if a thread is interrupted, we will get an interrupted exception. So let's switch back to Eclipse editor to see how we can implement the same switching program. Creating a Java class. Also selecting public static void main method. As we need to work with more than one thread, so let's create two threads as an example. So one thread I'll be printing a numbers and the other one is to print a character. If any logic need to be part of thread execution, we need to make sure that logic is placed in a run method. Let's override run method, which is a public method. So as part of this thread, I'll be printing numbers 1 to 5. Hence I'm starting a for loop equal to 1, 5 is equal to 5. After printing each and every number, I would like to make my thread wait for certain amount of time. So we have a sleep method and thread class, which is going to take time in milliseconds. I'm giving 1000 milliseconds. So this sleep method is going to give us an interrupted exception. Either we need to handle it or else we can throw it. So I'm going to handle using a try catch block. So in the same way, I'll also create one more class. Overriding run method. This time we are going to print a character. So let's print uppercase letters. Uppercase letters ASCII value starts with 65. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So I'm using my condition variable up to 69 as I want to print only 5 characters. Print only I means it is going to give us only the ASCII value, but I wanted to see the character representation. Hence, we are using casting. I'm calling it sleep method for 1000 milliseconds. Also handling the exception of the try catch block instead of throwing it. So now we are done with creating two threads. Let's use these two threads within your main program. Let's instantiate both the threads what we have created. Both the threads are instantiated. Let's start both the threads. We have a specific method start. So let's see the execution of these two threads. So far I have not used a join method. Let's see before invoking join method how it will behave. Then we will use the join method to see the difference. If I run my program, I'm saying 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, and 5, which means both the threads are running in parallel one after the other. Hence, we are seeing one value from thread 1, other value is from thread 2. Now we will see the impact of join method. T1 dot join. This join method is also going to go through as interrupted exception. Hence, we need to handle. I'm using a try catch block. So after starting a thread T1, we are calling T1 dot join, which means T1 is going to complete its execution, then only T2 will start its execution. Let's see. We observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are from T1. It has printed everything from thread 1 and then it has started execution for thread T2. A, B, C, D, E. See the difference, right? Let's go back to thread 2. Right now we have printed a capital letters. What if we want to display a small letters instead of capital letters? So all we need to do is we can use the respect to ASCII value associated with small letters. It will start from 97, 7, 98, 99, 100, 101. Just update the loop condition accordingly. Analytics. Now we are seeing the small letters as expected, right? This is how we can see the uses of joining method. Thanks for watching the video. In case if you are having any questions, please do let me know. Please like the video and share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make sure that video as early as possible. Thank you once again. Bye.